السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. Good afternoon, dear students of grade 8 المناهج school. Today we have grammar. Our lesson for today, the future tense. So let's start with two questions. Are you ready? Okay. Question 1. What will you do next month? Okay, go ahead. I'll visit my uncle next month. Good. Another one. Okay, go ahead. I'll hang out with my friends at the mall. Good, thanks. Now, the second question. What are your plans for next week? Okay, go ahead. I am going to have lunch with my friend Ali. Good. Another one, go ahead. I'm going to watch a movie. Good. Thanks, all of you. So now, when we say I'll visit my uncle or I am going to watch a movie, these are ways to talk about the future. Right. Do you think we have other ways to talk about the future? Of course we have, and we'll learn about four of them, four ways to talk about the future. So now watch this video and pay a lot of attention to the future form and the use of each way. Ready? Go ahead.
Future tenses: will, going to, present continuous and present simple for future. Okay, here we have the affirmative, negative and question forms of will. Notice it's all the same. You will go, he will go, they will go. Negative, I will not go, and question forms, will you go, will they go. What's very important with future simple will are the contractions. And perhaps say these with me. I'll go, you'll go, he'll go, she'll go, it'll go, we'll go, and they'll go. In the negative form, will not becomes won't. So he won't go, they won't go, we won't go. This is often only spoken and never written. Also, we use shall, and it's only used for I and will. Shall we go? Shall I bring some food? I shall see you later. This is often considered more formal. Okay, future simple has four main uses. The first use is future facts. We'll celebrate our 50th anniversary next year. The second is predictions and expectations. I think I'll get a promotion this summer. For decisions about the future made at the time of speaking. So, what are you doing tonight? Not sure. I'll probably watch a DVD. I've only just made that decision now. And also for offers. I'll open the door for you. I'll do your homework. Okay, the second tense is future simple, going to. Here we have the affirmative, negative and question forms. It's important to notice I am going, you are going, and he, she, and it is going. In the negative, we put the not in between the auxiliary and going. So I am not going, you are not going, he, she, and it is not going. And question forms, are you going, is he going, am I going? Again, it's important to practice the contractions. So, with me, I'm going to play, you're going to play, she's going to play, they're going to play, we're going to play. And in the negative forms, I'm not going to play, he's not going to play, they're not going to play. Future simple for going to has two main uses. First of all, for decisions about the future made before the time of speaking, sometimes called a plan or an intention. I'm going to invite lots of people to my party next week. Also, we use it for predictions based on present knowledge, something we can definitely see is going to happen. Look at those black clouds, it's going to rain. Okay, third tense is present continuous. This is very similar to going to in its auxiliary use. I am, you are, he, she, and it is. The negative, I am not, and the questions forms are you, is he, am I. Again, remember your contractions, I'm, your, and I'm not. Present continuous for future has two main uses. For actions or events that have already been arranged. This includes 1, a time, 2, a place, 3, possibly a person. Example, I'm meeting Paul tonight at 8 o'clock at the cinema. They are having their Christmas party tomorrow night. These have been organised and arranged. When we ask about someone's future plans, it's the second use. We often use the present continuous as they may have an arrangement. So I would say, what are you doing at the weekend? Okay, finally, present simple for future has one main use. It's used for timetables, fixed events and schedules. The football match starts at 3 o'clock on Saturday. Quick, hurry, our train leaves in 10 minutes.
So now after watching the video, we have 4 ways to talk about the future. What are they? Yeah, will, going to, present continuous or present progressive, and finally present simple. Some of you know about will and going to for the future, but what about the present continuous and the present simple? Can we use them to talk about the future? Of course we can use them. Let's start with the first way, which is will plus the infinitive. What is the infinitive? Yeah, the infinitive, the verb without any additions, without s, without ed, without ing, without anything. Okay. For example, I will have a cup of coffee and a cheesecake. I will have, they will have, we will have. So no differences with subjects. Will plus the infinitive. Okay, what about the use here? This means I have just decided in the restaurant, so it's a quick decision. I decided right now at the time of speaking. 2, I will find the right job one day. What is the use? Yeah, means I think this will happen, but I have no evidence. So here it's a kind of prediction, but without evidence. 3, I will help you with these bags. Yeah, I am offering my help. It's a kind of offer. I am 14 this year. I'll be 15 next year. Yeah, this means no doubt I'll be 15 because I am 14 now. That's it. Future fact. The second way is be going to plus the infinitive. Be, what is be? Yeah, right. Am is are. So, for example, I am going to visit my grandma. What is the use here? This is what I have planned. So it's a plan or intention, personal intention. I have already decided before, not right now, but before. Also, it is going to rain. Look at those black clouds. What is the use here of going to? Yeah, this means I am referring to evidence and making prediction. So it's a prediction based on evidence. What is the evidence that I can see right now? These black clouds. Okay, so it's going to rain. It's a logical result. The third way to talk about the future is the present continuous, or in another way, the present progressive. What is the form? How to form it? Yeah, am is are plus the verb plus ing. Okay, we have an example. I am staying at the Astoria Hotel. We are staying. He is staying. Also, we are getting married in July. What is the use here of the present continuous? Yeah, this means what? I have already booked my stay here, for example, or here I have already reserved the church to get married in July. So it's a personal planned action, personal program, okay, that will happen in the near future. The fourth way to talk about the future is the present simple. We have examples. The train leaves at 5 p.m. Okay, tomorrow is Monday. Look at this. Leaves is. This sentence refers to what? Yeah, refers to a fixed timetable or schedule. So if we have things that happen according to a schedule or timetable, we use the present simple to refer to the future. With singular nouns, the verb must have s at the end. With I, we, with they, and plural nouns, the verb without any additions. Okay, so now let's remember together the uses of going to. Yeah, the use is plans, intentions, prediction based on evidence. Will has many uses. The first one is prediction without evidence. Here, prediction with evidence, going to. Will, prediction with no evidence. Fact, future fact. Instant decision or quick decision. Offer and promise. Okay, the next one, present continuous. We use it for what? For future arrangements, planned actions. The last one, present simple, we use it for scheduled events, timetabled events. Now open your class book, page 118. That's what we have just discussed. Future for simple present, use scheduled events like the party starts at 7 p.m. Present progressive or present continuous, use plans, future arrangements, planned actions. I am leaving at 6:30 p.m. Will for facts or prediction without evidence, there will be food at the party. The last one, going to plans, intentions, I am going to bring rice. Now open page 119. We have task C, read and check, scheduled event, plan or prediction. What are these? These are the uses of future forms. Okay, to do this task, first of all, identify the future form, the verb with the future form. For example, here, class begins at 10 a.m. What is the future form? Yeah, it begins, right? Begins. Okay. Then decide if it's used to describe scheduled event, plan, or prediction. Okay, so again, the verb here, the future form is begins. Yeah, begins is in simple present. Now get back to page 118. Look at the chart. The chart says, yeah, says simple present is used with, yeah, scheduled event. Right, that's it. Now we have got 3 minutes to read an answer from 2 to 6. Go ahead. Now, let's check together. Okay, number 2, it will probably rain tomorrow. Scheduled event, plan, or prediction. Yeah, will probably rain. So it's a right prediction. 3, I'm going to order a pizza. Do you want some? I'm going to order. Yeah, get back to the chart. It's what? It's a plan, right? Maha and I are going to a coffee shop this Saturday. What is the future for? Are going, right? So it's a, are going, present continuous, present progressive. So it's a, yeah, right, plan. The festival runs from June the 3rd to June the 12th. What is the future for? Yeah, runs. Get back to the chart. Scheduled event, plan, or prediction. Yeah, right. Scheduled event. The last one, if you turn right at the sign, you will see the restaurant right in front of you. What is the future for? Yeah, you will see scheduled event, plan, or prediction. Yeah, it's prediction. Thanks. Question D, complete each sentence using will or going to. So just will or going to. One important thing to keep in mind before completing this question, will won't follow a contraction. For example, you can't say I am will post. You can't say will play. Okay? Clear? Go ahead. You've got 2 minutes. Now let's check. Number 1, I am what? Can I say I am will? No. So I am going to post, right? 2, when I finish my degree, I am, right, well done. I'm going to start. 3, the doctor, here we don't have a contraction. So the doctor will see you now. Will. Right. 4, we are. Yeah, going to. Well done. 5, I. Yeah, I will never forget. Right. Well done. Mahmoud, space. Probably finish. Yeah, Mahmoud will. Thanks. Right. That's all what we have for today, but next sessions will have more exercises on future tenses, inshallah. So get ready, keep studying and waiting. Thanks, dear students of المناهج School, grade 8. See you next time.